First of all, I am honored and humbled to be called upon to read this. It could have been anyone else, but it's me, and I'm grateful for that. This is a press release by Rivers Ijaw People's Forum, RIPF. The Rivers Ijaw People's Forum is a social-political group made up of chiefs, elders, women, and youths of Ijaw ethnic nationality in Rivers State, political umbrella body of the 12 Ijaw-speaking local government areas of Rivers State. 12 is not an error, it's a fact. In 2014, the forum actively supported and deployed its abundant resources under the instrumentality and direction of our own, His Excellency, Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, and his wife, Dame Dr. Patience Jonathan, to ensure the emergence of Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike as the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, and further mobilize the Ijaws in Rivers State to massively vote for the candidate in the 2015 governorship elections. We repeated the same support in the 2019 elections, and His Excellency, Chief Wike, was returned for his second term as governor of Rivers State. In 2023, we extended our winning support to the current governor of Rivers State, His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara. It has come to our notice that some Ijaw sons and daughters, at the direction of their Abuja leader, are candelously meeting with the sole aim of insulting and embarrassing our national and regional leaders who have in one way or the other expressed support and solidarity with the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara. We strongly advise that they desist forthwith from being willing tools in the hands of the enemies of Rivers State. We at this point categorically state, number one, that we did not mandate or authorize any person or group of persons under this name, logo, and any other Ijaw groupings to insult and embarrass the person and the office of the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Chief Pa E.K. Clark, His Excellency Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, and other Ijaw leaders. Neither did we approve or authorize any form of disrespect to the political friends and allies of the Ijaw ethnic nationality across the country. Two, that having spent our time and resources in supporting the administration of His Excellency Nyesom Wike for 8 years, we continue to maintain that this is not an ethnic crisis and shall refuse to play the ethnic card. We therefore object any Ijaw sons and daughters accepting to be used as cannon fodders in the political upheaval. 3, we congratulate His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Governor of Rivers State, for having meritoriously, carefully, and prayerfully navigated the murky waters of Rivers State politics and successfully governed the state for 1 year and placed her on the path of peace and progress. 4, we thank all the indigenous ethnic nationalities of Rivers State and the non-indigens that live and work in our beloved Rivers State for their unflinching support and prayers for the governor. We also thank our national leader and father, Chief Pa Ike Clark, and His Excellency, Sir Dr. Peter Odili, for their immense support. We must not forget, number 6, we must not forget the role of Rivers women and youths. We also thank them for their support for the governor of Rivers State. 7, on behalf of all Ijaw groups within and outside Rivers State, we pledge our unalloyed and total support for the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara. 8, we call on all peoples of goodwill of our dear state to continue to pray and support His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, the governor of Rivers State. Thank you very much for listening. And
I am particularly gladdened that why is this?
Good way the picture.
Abu Brown. May I and then give Barasua welcomes. Please put your hands together. May I
Can I call you later?
Ijaw.
yeah.
Beautiful event. May I put it on record